In this video, we look at default argument values, a way to give a function parameter a ready-made fallback, so callers do not always have to supply every argument. A default argument is a safety net built into a parameter. If the caller does not supply a value, Python quietly uses the one you chose when you wrote the function. We define a function called greet. It takes two parameters, name which is required, and times which defaults to 1. Notice the equal sign assigns the fallback value right in the signature. Inside the function, a loop runs once for every number in range of times, printing a greeting on each pass. When times is 1, the loop runs exactly once. The first call passes only a name, so times silently falls back to 1. The second call passes 3, which overrides the default, and the loop runs 3 times instead. Here is the exact output. Alice is greeted once because we relied on the default. Bob is greeted 3 times because we passed 3 explicitly. The default did its job in the first call and stepped aside in the second. One rule you cannot break: defaulted parameters must always sit to the right of non-defaulted ones. Putting a default before a required parameter causes a syntax error before your program even starts. To recap, assign a fallback with an equal sign in the parameter list, keep required parameters on the left, and callers gain the freedom to include or skip the rest. Defaults make your functions easier to use without sacrificing flexibility.